In this video, we will walk through how to submit an out-of-pocket reimbursement in Ramp. You'll need to be in your Home tab to submit a reimbursement. From here, you'll click on New and then click on Reimbursement. Here, it'll ask you your place of residence just to ensure compliance with local laws and accurate processing. Once you've selected that, go ahead and click Continue. The next step is to upload a receipt or click No Receipt if you do not have one. If you upload a receipt, details will be automatically filled out. You will need to manually fill out the details if you do not upload a receipt, and also you may not be able to submit it if your company requires a receipt as a part of your submission policy. As you can see, Ramp pulled out the receipt details here so that you don't need to manually fill it out. Now looking under this Other Details section, as an admin and manager, you do have the ability to choose a person to submit reimbursements on behalf of, such as your team. However, if you are submitting it on behalf of yourself, make sure it is your name listed here. Then you'll add a memo here if required by your policy. And under optional fields, you can add if there are attendees there with you, such as for an Uber or Lyft ride. Then you could select what funds it was paid from, and even select if this is supposed to apply to a trip. Down here, if you are required to submit an accounting field, it'll show up here, and you could select how you would code this according to the company's chart of accounts. Once you have filled out all the details and attached all the required documentation, you can click Submit here on the bottom right. If you are not ready to submit this reimbursement request, you can save it as a draft simply by going back, and you could also click on these three dots to delete it, duplicate it, or make it a reoccurring reimbursement request. Making a reoccurring reimbursement request is good for situations like if your company subsidizes your phone bill. Confirm all details and then click Submit once ready. From there, it'll route to your approver based on the workflow your company has set, and the payment will be issued in 1 to 2 days after it's been approved. Next, we'll cover a special type of reimbursement, mileage. This one typically requires distance details rather than a receipt.